Okay, this tutorial is about using um, a package that is built by the Flutter team called Path Provider. And if you look at my sample that you can see from I'll put a link to the sample source code for this. But here is the package that I'm using, Path Provider. And some of the specific things that you might find if you use this is that in the case where you need to download or save a file to the local device, either iPhone or Android. So let's say that you have an app that downloads a file, and then once you download the file, you've got to save the file to the local disk, to the local device on this either iPhone or Android. You want to be able to put it in a place where the typical user can be able to find it. So um, for the iPhone, the app that people use to find things is called Files, and the one for Android is called Files here. So I'm going to delete these for now, and then show you that uh, where these downloads will actually occur. So this program is right now running in either iOS or Android right now. And to be able to save a file to the local device for the Android, you want to be able to use this thing called storage emulated download folder. And this is basically the shared folder area that is visible for the Android user. And then for iOS, you want to use something called the application document directory. If you try using the get download directory on iOS, it's not going to make it visible for users who go to your iOS folder. So you have to use this one here. So here, if I go back to the app that's running and I say save, and I go back to the Files app here, you'll see that it's here. So if I open it, you'll see that it is just created. Okay, so I go back over here and I say save again. And then I go back to the Files folder. You'll see the two files. And then because it doesn't want to overwrite things. Okay, so that's typically what you want to do is if you see that the file already exists at the location you're trying to save it, you want to automatically append like a number like 1, 2, and etc. to the file so that you don't overwrite things. So that's things for Android. For iOS, when it runs here, and then I say same function, saving something to the local disk or the local device. And then I come here. So if I go to recent, it's not visible. Shared, no. But if I go here, and then you'll see it under the application download folder, the application folder. And here you can see the file I just created. If I run it again, so if I go over here and click save again, and then come back to files, you'll see another one. Go to this app, save again, come back to the files app, then you'll see the second one and so forth. And you'll see that the contents, I put a timestamp so that you know that this is a different file than the other ones. So this will be very handy when, like again, the purpose of this functionality is that you want to be able to save some data to the local device. Either you've downloaded some data from the internet or you're composing something. Let's say you're building like an editor and you want to save things to the local device. So whatever you want to do, this get download folder this download directory is something useful that you want to do. And again, the source code for this sample will be in the description of this video description. Okay. If you have any questions, just post the question in the comments. And if you have any requests for certain sections on Flutter, just let me know and I can write up a new section and talk about a new section on this channel. Thank you for watching and please subscribe and like this video to support my work here. Thank you.